Good evening and welcome to Moneyline Tips. I want to say congratulations to both VIP and general public on today's winning. There's been a lot of winnings today. Over 3 tickets are won today. 18 odds, 5 odds, and then 11 odds also won today. Let's check out some today's game. And then this is one of our VIP ticket, 18 odds. Then there's another 20 400 Ghana cedis won here with 20 cedis. A lot of are winning 21,000 here, 33,000 naira here, 4,000 cedis, 2,000 cedis, then 11,000 naira here. There's been a lot of winnings today, so congratulations to all of you that played today game both on Facebook and also on YouTube. I shared a multiple goals tips today and it went well, so congratulations. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Always follow this channel and then like our videos so that Facebook and YouTube will recommend them to you anytime. Thank you so much and stay blessed.